How's it going, Hbar family? Appreciate all the love. Let's talk about what's happening with the price of Hbar going into Friday morning. If we're looking across the board, the market is looking amazing. Once again, a continuation of that positive momentum that we have seen over the course of the last, 1 week at this point. And again, once you're looking at the broader market, that kind of explains, what's really happening. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. That tells you everything you need to know. The weekly time frame is something I don't want you guys to overlook. We're seeing a lot of double-digit gainers across the market, and today even, we did have a nice day. As far as HBAR price is concerned, up 1.4% with the price currently sitting at 24.2 cents. Also up 1.2% in Bitcoin compared with the valuation sitting at $10.3 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about a 311.2 million. As always, just a quick disclaimer for you guys, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So take a look at what's happening with the dominance. You can't make this up, guys. We came down to 57.9%, something we haven't retested since last month. This is nice. This is what we want to see. And Bitcoin, on the other hand, has been able to break out, and we have actually seen Bitcoin making its way up to 116,400. The confirmation that I had for myself at 115, we are back above that. So amazing. As far as Bitcoin price is concerned, it's looking amazing right now. And, I think, we could actually end up closing, tomorrow's candle above this key range, which pretty much opens the door for us to start retesting 117. And after that, the door is pretty much open for us to retest all-time highs. Bitcoin is looking great. We're back above confirmation. Altcoins, on the other hand, if you're looking at the altcoin market, you can really see how much the altcoins are feeling love right now. But if you're looking at HBAR right now, HBAR price did also see a beautiful bounce towards the upside. We actually came up to 24.5 cents not too long ago. Again, some of the levels we haven't seen since August 26th. So yeah, I know a lot of people have forgotten. I saw my last update, which was just last night. I give you guys updates every single day, for HBAR. A lot of people, were saying, well, HBAR is not at the levels, we want to see. But we cannot neglect that HBAR is back to, the consolidation pattern. And if we zoom out and take a look at it, where it has been over the course of the last 3 months, it has seen a major upside since June 22nd. If you're still holding and you were accumulating below the key range at 15.5 cents, you're up right now almost 100%. So anyone that's going to come out and say, HBAR hasn't been doing anything, you can kind of talk to me about this and make an argument, because it's a clear upward trajectory, and we're looking at about 100%, gain, which again is not a small number by any means. And again, if you picked up some HBAR below this 61.8, which we actually went below briefly, I would say just a week and a half, I would say, not even a week and a half to be exact, just a few days to be honest with you. We were below the 61.8, but you can see the price reclaim back above that key range. And, we have seen an increase of about 16% back to where we need to be. Pretty much, we were at this level prior to, this pullback, which took us below the 61.8, but we're pretty much back to, where we need to be. Obviously, you guys can see, we have some resistance coming in our way. We actually got stopped out at some of this resistance exactly at the 24.6 cents. And I do project that resistance to be retested again. If this is able to, break out again, we could start heading up to 26 cents, and then obviously to the major level that we've been speaking about time and time out of 27 cents, which we haven't seen since August 14th. So we're almost coming up to a month as far as that is concerned. But again, let me know in the comments what you guys personally think. Thank you for all your support. You guys are absolutely amazing, and we'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.